Hi. It's one of those nights where I can't sleep, thinking of all these different things that I want to do. So I decided to just talk a bit. Also, the thing is, like, I'm trying to sleep, but I'm not even tired. I took a nap after school and I got kind of this hyped up mindset, and I need to learn to let myself rest. It's a process. We're learning. I don't really know what else to say. I think I'm actually just gonna paint and hopefully I'm able to sleep soon. Thank you for being here and I'll see you later, I think. Bye.
And 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, dear baby.
Make a wish. Okay. It's just a okay.
I'll wait for you. You tell me. I don't want that to be true. I think you're so pretty and I really want to.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, dear Emma, to you. Did you make a wish? I think I put, okay.
Third try. Today I actually felt like I wanted to explore the city a bit. This is kind of a feeling that I've been lacking the last couple of weeks. I had the idea to go for a bike ride and find a library to just do some work. Got quite some things done. I set some goals and it was really motivating to just be in this headspace again. To be honest, I have been feeling very foggy in my head and I just lacked a lot of clarity and wasn't really able to set concrete goals. This week there was kind of a shift because on Tuesday I started doing these meditations before going to bed. I just lay down, like fully try to relax my body and let go of the day. Honestly, I have been able to fall asleep like 10 times faster than the last year and a half. This week, I don't even remember laying in bed, unable to fall asleep. I started to gain a bit more control over my life. A lot of the time, it just feels like gray and it's foggy. It just reminded me that there will be something that will allow to grab onto your own life again, if that makes sense. That's been going on in my brain. Hope you enjoyed the rest of this video. Thank you a lot for watching. Really appreciate everyone supporting. So yeah, thank you. Bye.